Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. iOS 16 just released. Though it brings many new features, there are still some downsides as well. Your phone might run at a slower pace as before, some apps are crashing, or you don't like new changes. So how to downgrade iOS 16 to iOS 15 without data loss? First, back up your iPhone with iTunes. Go to tipswa.me.com to get the latest iOS 15. Click iPhone. Select your iPhone model. Download the firmware. Turn off Find My iPhone and go back to iTunes. Hold Shift key and click Restore iPhone. Find and open the firmware you downloaded. Click Restore. Then wait patiently. Once done, your iPhone will be restored to iOS 15.6.1. Then you can restore it from previous backup. Maybe you could not restore from the backup and it says the backup was incompatible with the iPhone. Press Windows and R keys to go to App Data folder. Find your backup file. There will be a file named info.plist. Open it with Notepad. Press Ctrl and F to find product. Under product version, change 16.0 to 15.6.1. Save the file. Now you can restore iPhone from the backup.